All right, y'all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Sean, and obviously we got the M8 out here on a beautiful day in the DMV. So I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while. We're gonna do a POV drive in the M8. The weather's good enough for us just to drop the top on it, so that's what this video is gonna be about. Let's do a quick walk around of the car. We'll drop the top, and then we're gonna take off and hit the highway, and we'll just see how it goes. So let's go. All right, don't talk about my rims, because if anybody that has a BMW knows that brake dust is crazy to keep off of them, so leave me alone. Do a quick little walk around of it. Yep, summer weather is the best. I really haven't driven this car in like the last 6 or 7 months. I've been driving my Tesla, so finally getting it back outside. And it's looking good. Actually, the key's inside, so let me get it, then we'll do a start from the outside and then drop the top. Well, it really won't be a cold start because I literally like left the house a second ago, but it'll be like a what? A warm start? I don't know. Still sound good. All right, now let's drop the top from the outside. So I'm gonna turn it back off. All right, now we'll drop the top. Let's see. I forgot how to do it too. Wait, that's so crazy. I should know how to do these things. All right, let me see if I remember. Nope, that's closing it up. See, look, even owners mess up too. Let's see if I remember how to do it. There we go. Yeah, I usually don't ever do this, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm always inside with the car moving. So this is probably like the second or third time I've done this. But you can see how quick it does it. So, all right, let's get in, let's go. Another start. All right. Let's get ready to get out of here. All right. We're gonna make a little quick trip. I think I gotta go to Staples and return an Amazon package, low key. So that's where we're going. Make sure I got this camera straight. Y'all gotta let me know if the angles ain't angling as I try to do these with the top down. I don't know how that sun is gonna be hitting off it, so we're gonna see. If it ain't good, we'll get it better. Once we get out of the neighborhood, we'll drop it into M1. I think my M1 is still set up in 4-wheel drive though. I don't usually drop down to 2-wheel drive. There shouldn't be too much traffic out today, so should get a nice drive. Anybody that knows me knows that the car I do not like, because I swear they ain't got no engines in them, is a Corolla. Anytime I see somebody driving one, I'm trying to get out of their way because they cannot drive. All right, let's drop into M1, let's get some speed. All right. Nice way to start off a Sunday morning. My bad. I always drive with my hand over here, but I know that blocks all the controls, so it's hard trying to drive like this. So I'm working on it. If I keep doing like this, that's because I finally remember and drop my hand. So my bad. All right. Skirt, skirt. the HOV. I'm probably gonna jump on the HOV even though it's like for a mile. Especially if it's talking about it's an accident. I don't know if y'all can read that. This camera is slipping. Hopefully the view stays good. Not, I'll have to work on it. Careful on this road. I swear the state cops always be creeping right in this area, so I'm trying not to go fast. Let's stay with the flow of traffic so they don't catch me. But the flow of traffic in like DC area, I feel like it's like 85, 90 miles an hour. Not to speed in this car. Like, I be trying to slow down, but it feel like if I'm not going like 85, 90, that I feel like I'm not moving. Maybe that's a me. That's probably a me issue. Perfect timing. See that hand? Oh wait, we're gonna go in here. That's what we're going. Alright, bet. Alright, I need to hit the Staples, but we're gonna swing in the Wegmans first. So look at that, just a quick POV, just get a nice little Sunday drive in the M8, nothing too crazy. I don't really park like away from everybody like I see people doing because I'm too lazy to walk like that, but just so I can end this video, I'm gonna park way out of here. Okay, y'all, so yeah, just a quick little POV. I didn't go too far. I'm about to head into the store right now, but just definitely wanted to get back into doing these for y'all. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out some of the other BMW videos I've done, my review videos and stuff like that, and check my Tesla videos too, because they're actually pretty good. But if it's something that y'all want to see in the car, just hit me in the comments. I'll be sure to get to that. But other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one.